How to software update on your Sony Google TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you software update on your Sony Google TV. In order to do it so, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. To update the software firmware on your Sony Google TV, you can typically check for update through the TV's settings menu or manually download the update from Sony's website and install it via a USB drive. Now here's how you could do it. So first of all, open up or turn on your device. Then you could see at the top of the screen update available when you go to settings. Then you could go ahead and simply click on that, or else you could also go to the settings and go to system and go to about and then head to system software update. Once you've actually done it, so then you should be able to see, or else you could just go ahead and click on system software update in the top right corner of your screen. And next thing what you have to do is you simply want to click on the downloaded icon and go to system software update. Once you actually do it, so then you simply want to make sure to be patient enough, and here you will be able to see this sort of interface. You can also enable automatic software as well and click on it, and once you've actually done it, so the TV is completely up to date. This is how you could update your software. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.